Friends, I wanted to show you the progress of the she shed. This week we finished with the main construction, and we added some shutters on each of the two windows in the shed, and we're gonna paint them gray to match the house. Of course, we're gonna do a pressure washing of the shed when it's finished. And we added here shutters on each side of the door. So on the floor here we're going to put some ceramic tiles that we have, and here we have light fixtures because we brought the electricity from the house to here. So this is how the shed looks. The flooring is complete, and we have all the insulation and walls that I showed you the other day. And we have the main door installed. Before we had barn doors in here, and they finish up the border of the flooring, and they installed a nice light up there, and we put an air conditioner so that we are comfortable in the summer. It's very hot in summer here, so we need something to keep it cool. So then for the window frame, we used some leftovers that we had from the floors from a house, so we didn't have to spend money on that. And basically tomorrow I'm hoping to come in and paint the walls and the ceiling. The walls are going to be in a gray tone. I'm trying to use paints that I already have, so I'm gonna just paint with that gray color, and the ceiling is gonna go every time I'm in here I'm sneezing. I guess there's a lot of dust. So the ceiling is gonna be painted in white. So the idea is to put a desk over here and a couch. I'm not sure if it's gonna be there or here, and some shelves or something to put my crafting materials. So it's looking really nice. It's very spacious. It didn't look like that when we had all those all the things that we had in there. So be there for the next update.